Hi guys, Coach Dave here. This is 6 weeks to a six-pack, week number 5, workout number 2. We have 2 supersets. Each one we're going to do 3 times through. Superset number 1 consists of 20 Russian twists into 20 penguins, into 20 floor wipers, into 20 kettlebell teapots, finishing up with a 100-meter suitcase carry. Superset number 2 consists of 20 bicycle crunches, a 45-second plank hold, 20 crossbody mountain climbers, a 45-second walking plank, 20 sandbag pull-throughs, and then 2 45-second side planks, one on each side. Now we'll look at these movements together. Alright, starting with those Russian twists, we're going to use our dumbbell, or we can use a kettlebell or a plate or a medicine ball, but something to use for our Russian twist. We're going to have our feet up off the ground, bouncing on our tailbone in a reclined position. I'm going to twist and touch this weight or my hands or the medicine ball behind my hips, and then all the way to the other side. That's going to be 1, there's 2, 3, 4. So left and right equals 1 rep. So it's going to be 20 on each side, or 40 total Russian twists. Then we'll go into our penguins. Our penguins, we're going to lie on the ground on our back, bring our heels as close to our hips as we can. And then I'm going to slide my hands down and touch as far down on my foot as I can on both feet. Left and right equals 1, so it's going to be 20 on each side, or 40 total. Shoulders are up off the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll go all the way to 20. Those are our penguins. Then we'll go into our floor wipers. We'll have our arms out to the sides. Legs are going to go straight up, or if you need to bend them at the knee, that's fine. We'll keep them 6 inches off the ground. There's 1. There's 2. Straighten those legs out. There's 1. That'd be 3. And 4. So we'll get 20 floor wipers. If those 20 floor wipers are too much, we can scale that down to 10. Okay? Then we have 20 kettlebell teapots. We're going to grab a single kettlebell. We're going to hold it in one hand to the side, and with our shoulders backing together to keep our back straight, we're going to let this kettlebell carry us down and then use our oblique to straighten back up. We'll get 20 on each side for a total of 40. So there's 3, 4, 10 on each side for a total of 20. So it's going to be 10 on each side. Switch after 10 and get 10 on the other side for 20 total kettlebell teapots. Then we're going to finish with a 100-meter suitcase carry. So suitcase carry just means a kettlebell on one side instead of both sides like a farmer's carry. So kettlebell on one side, make sure we're using that oblique, our abs, to stay upright and straight with protected posture. We got our 100-meter carry, and that's superset number 1. We'll do that 3 times. Then we'll go to superset number 2. Start with 20 bicycle crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 20 total, 10 on each side for those bicycle crunches. Then we have a 45-second plank hold. We're going to be in that plank hold. It could be a high plank. Be up on our toes, slight peek in the hips, hands underneath the shoulders. Or we can be in an elbow plank. Again, those elbows are underneath the shoulders, slight peek in the hips. Up on those toes. We'll hold that for 45 seconds. We have 20 cross-body mountain climbers. So we're bringing our knee to our opposite elbow for these cross-body mountain climbers. Left and right equals 1. So 20 on each side, or 40 total. Then a 45-second walking plank. So we'll start in that elbow plank and we'll go into our high plank for 45 seconds. And then we'll go into our sandbag pull through. So our sandbag pull through, we're going to be in that plank position again. Might be noticing a theme here. And in that plank position, I'm going to pull the sandbag through to the other side, bracing my core so I'm not twisting my hips. To do so, I'm staying stable, keeping my chest square to the ground. Keep those hands underneath the shoulders. We'll get 20 sandbag pull-throughs, and then we'll finish with our 45-second plank on both sides. Straight line from our feet to our shoulders, 45 seconds, flip over, 45 seconds. And that's it. Superset number 2, 3 times through and you're done. Have some fun.